The missing bird The missing bird បាក់សីដែលបានបាត់ខ្លួនតួអង្គនៅក្នុងរឿងនេះយើងមាន Mr. Drake, Kane, Jade, Gus ហើយនិង Ellen. Narrator. One day, Jade went to feed Gus, the glass bird. ថ្ងៃមួយ Jade បានទៅដាក់ចំណីឲ្យ Gus ដែលជាបក្សី Jade. Oh no, Gus is gone. He's not on his perch. Oh ទេ Gus បានបាត់ខ្លួនទៅហើយគាត់មិនទុំនៅលើឈើនោះទេ Kane. Gus is always in his cage. Gus តែងតែនៅលើទ្រុងរបស់គាត់នៅក្នុងទ្រុងរបស់គាត់ Jade. Look, the cage door is open. មើលនោះទ្រុងទ្វាររបស់ទ្រុងគឺបើក Narrator. The children are gathered near the cage. ក្មេងៗគឺនៅជិតទ្រុង Kane. How are we going to find him? តើពួកយើងនឹងរកគាត់ដោយរបៀបណាទៅ Jade. I know. Let's all chirp like a bird. ខ្ញុំដឹងតើពួកយើងមកចេញសំឡេង chip chip ដូចបក្សីទៅ Ellen. Yes, when Gus hears us, he might come. ចាស់នៅពេលដែល Gus ឮពួកយើងគាត់ប្រហែលជាមក All chip 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 ទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏មានសំឡេង chip 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 Mr. Drake, how come you all chipping? Mr. Drake និយាយថាតើទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើសំឡេង chip chip នឹងយ៉ាងម៉េចទៅ Jade, we looking for Gus. He's missing from his cage. Jade និយាយថាពួកយើងកំពុងតែរក Gus គាត់បានបាត់ខ្លួនពីទ្រុងរបស់គាត់ហើយ Kane, all this chipping is making me tired. Kane និយាយថាការបញ្ចេញសំឡេង chip chip ទាំងអស់នេះធ្វើឲ្យខ្ញុំអស់កម្លាំង Ellen, I could shake the bell in his cage. ខ្ញុំអាចនឹងអង្រួនកណ្ដឹងនៅក្នុងទ្រុងរបស់គាត់ Kane, yes, when Gus hears the bell ring, he might come. Kane និយាយថាមែនហើយនៅពេលដែល Gus ឮកណ្ដឹងសំឡេងកណ្ដឹងគាត់ប្រហែលជាមកវិញ Narrator. Ellen shakes the bell and they all look around for Gus. Ellen ក៏អង្រួនកណ្ដឹងហើយពួកគេក៏រកមើលជុំវិញ Gus ក៏ស្វែងរក Gus. Ellen, Gus might like some food to eat. Gus ប្រហែលជាត្រូវការអាហារដើម្បីញ៉ាំហើយ I have an apple in my bag. ខ្ញុំមានផ្លែប៉ោមមួយនៅក្នុងកាបូបរបស់ខ្ញុំ Mr. Drake, that might get Gus to come back. នោះប្រហែលជាអាចធ្វើឲ្យ Gus ត្រឡប់មកវិញ Narrator. Jade goes out and comes back with a big red apple. Jade បានចេញទៅក្រៅហើយក៏បានត្រឡប់មកវិញជាមួយនឹងផ្លែប៉ោមដ៏ធំមួយ Kane, I bet Gus would like to eat that and so would I. Kane និយាយថាខ្ញុំភ្នាល់ថា Gus ចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំផ្លែប៉ោមហើយខ្ញុំក៏អញ្ចឹងដែរ Mr. Drake, let's put bits of apple by the cage for Gus. តើពួកយើងទុកផ្លែប៉ោមមួយចំណិតនៅចិត្តទ្រុងឲ្យ Gus ទៅ Kane, he likes apple. He will come back to eat, I think. គាត់ចូលចិត្តផ្លែប៉ោមគាត់នឹងត្រឡប់មកវិញដើម្បីញ៉ាំខ្ញុំគិតអញ្ចឹង Narrator. Jade puts bit of apple by the cage to stand to see Gus fly out from the top of the bookshelf. Jade ក៏បានទុកផ្លែប៉ោមពី3ចំណិតនៅចិត្តទ្រុងក្រោយមកពួកគេឃើញ Gus ហើរចេញពីខាងកំពូលនៃធ្នើដាក់សៀវភៅ Ellen, look out. We have found Gus. មើលណាពួកយើងបានរក Gus ឃើញហើយ Narrator. Gus pecks at the yummy apple with his beak. Gus ក៏ចឹកទំពាចាផ្លែប៉ោមមកឆ្ងាញ់ជាមួយនឹងចំពុះរបស់គាត់ Oh, we glad Gus likes apple so much. ពួកយើងសប្បាយចិត្តណាស់ដែល Gus ចូលចិត្តផ្លែប៉ោមខ្លាំង Okay, hello everyone. I'm telling you a story about the missing bird today For the first time, I speak up in English and then I translate into Khmer language. The missing bird. បក្សីដែលបាត់ខ្លួន We have the people here, Mr. Drake, Kane, Jade, and Ellen, and the bird is Gus. Narrator. One day, Jade went to feed Gus, the class bird. Oh no, Gus is gone. He is not on his perch. Gus is always in his cage. Look, the cage door is open. The children are gathered near the cage. How are we going to find him? I know. Let's all chirp like a bird. Yes, when Gus hears us, he might come. Chip, 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 chip. How come you are all chirping? We're looking for Gus. He's missing from his cage. All this chirping is making me tired. I could shake the bell in his cage. Yes, when Gus hears the burring, he might come. Ellen shakes the bell, and they all look around for Gus. Gus might like some food to eat. I have an apple in my bag. That might get Gus to come back. Jade goes out and comes back with a big red apple. I bet Gus would like to eat that, and so would I. Let's put bits of apple by the cage for Gus. He likes apples. He will come to eat, I think. Jade puts bits of apple by the gate. Just then they see Gus fly out from the top of the bookshelf. Look, we have found Gus. Gus pecks at the yummy apple with his beak. We're glad Gus likes apples so much.